Bold Street in Liverpool. To most, it's just another busy street filled with shops and cafes, but for some, it's the gateway to a different time. Welcome to the mystery of the Bold Street Timeslips. According to urban legend, some people walking along this street have reported suddenly finding themselves in a different time period, surrounded by old-fashioned buildings and people dressed in clothing from the past. This intriguing story has fascinated both locals and visitors alike, but are they real, or just a thing of myth and legend? We investigate. If you're new here, don't forget to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. That helps us create even better content, and press the bell icon. That lets you know when we upload new content. Time slips are experiences where people believe they have momentarily travelled to a different era. In the case of Bold Street, these slips usually involve being transported to the early 20th century, the 1950s or the 1960s. These experiences are often vivid, with witnesses describing detailed scenes of a past Liverpool, complete with old cars, shops and fashions. One famous story involves a man named Frank, who in 1996, on a day like today, was shopping with his wife Carol on Bold Street. While Carol went to another store, Frank decided to visit Waterstone's bookshop. As he walked towards the store, he suddenly felt strange and noticed the street had changed. The modern shop fronts were replaced with old-fashioned stores, and people were dressed in clothes from the 1950s. Frank saw a store named Cripps, where Waterstone should have been. After a few moments, everything returned to normal, leaving Frank puzzled and intrigued. This may sound an unlikely tale, but the odd thing about it is that Frank was, in fact, a former police officer who was used to dealing in facts, and definitely wasn't the type of person who believed in the paranormal. While there is no scientific proof behind these time slips, several theories including geometric fields and residual energy have been proposed. Some believe the fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field in this area might cause people to experience these vivid time shifts. These magnetic anomalies could potentially affect the human brain, leading to altered perceptions of reality. Another idea is that certain places can hold on to residual energy from past events, creating a sort of time loop. People walking through these areas might momentarily experience scenes from the past. One intriguing theory links the time slips to the electrification of the railway below the streets of Liverpool. The theory suggests that the electromagnetic fields generated by the railway's electrification could interfere with the perception of time. These fields might create conditions that make people more susceptible to experiencing time slips. Despite these theories, the Bold Street time slips remain a mystery. There's no concrete evidence to support any of the explanations, but the stories continue to captivate those who hear them. Whether these experiences are due to magnetic fields, residual energy, or something else entirely, the legend of the Bold Street time slips adds a layer of intrigue to this bustling Liverpool street. The Bold Street timeslips are a fascinating part of Liverpool's urban legends. While we may never know the true case behind these mysterious experiences, they remind us of the many unexplained phenomena that exist in the world. Next time you walk down Bold Street, keep an eye out. You never know if you might just take an unexpected trip back in time.